Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you want high quality sublimation projects, then it starts with a high quality printer, and this one from Sawgrass is just the one. What I love most about this printer is that it's made for sublimation, so there's no conversion required. This bundle includes ink, paper, and access to their design software where you can create your designs. So once you get your printer up and running, you can start creating ASAP, which if you're like me, you're very excited to do. If you've set up a printer before, then the process is similar, but I do appreciate that the company provides free onboarding if you do need help getting started. They also have tons of other resources that you can use. Even I took advantage of those and I found them really helpful. I'm no expert by any means, but it took me about an hour and a half to get everything up and running. After having dealt with clogs in other printers before, I really appreciate that this has an auto maintenance cycle that will ensure it continues to run smoothly. So if you're like me and you're not making something every week, this is a very valuable feature. And lastly, the quality of the prints I got, you can see for yourself. They were top notch. Keep in mind that when you print, it will look faded, but once you sublimate, that is where the magic happens. My tip would be that if you find that your projects look too faded or blurry, it's most likely your heat settings. There's also a lot of tweaking you can do before printing, so I definitely recommend testing things out before committing to your transfer. I'm so happy with how everything turned out, and I cannot wait to create more items. I'm so happy this bundle included 100 pages because I'm about to run through them for sure. So go ahead and invest in your creative future. I think it's worth it, but that's just my point of view.